everyone. Joe and I are here at the Contemporary Resort at the Bay Lake Tower. We are going to give you a tour of one of the rooms. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Now let's go check out this room. You're gonna love it. You don't have a bad side, do you?
Oh, no, it depends. Depends on the day. There's two private balconies, which is really nice. So each of the bedrooms has their own private balcony. That one that you're looking at right there actually connects to the master.
Oh, that's super cool. So are you a DVC member yet?
Not yet. So, it's a funny story. Jen and I actually used to work on memberships. I'm always amazed. I go up on my first call. That's a really good question. Oh, who showed up? That's not So you got plenty of storage here as well, so you can keep it very nice and spacious for you. This is actually called a partition wall, not the slidey door thing, which I've been talking about.
Slidey door thing.
So you got your jets right there in the tub. You can have a nice soak after a long day. That TV actually comes out and pivots, so you can watch that while you're going.
So now what's the points on a room like
It's
this?
going to be dependent on the time of the year. If you're looking ballpark, you're looking at maybe anywhere from 40 to 60 points a night.
Okay.
For a two-bedroom.
And then what about like a one?
For one bedroom, you're probably looking about, again, ballpark, whatever the wrong information. Anywhere from 25 to 35, and then if you're looking at a studio, which is kind of like a stereo hotel room,
Right.
those can be anywhere from, I'd say, 10 to 17 points a night.
So not horrible.
No, not at all. And it really just depends, again, on the time of the year, because the two-bedroom is going to be more points at Christmas than it is going to be right now. Not too shabby.
Really pretty.
The best thing about Disney is we don't really have to push. If you guys wanted to get more information on our work, just call the number on the card, and that will connect you with one of our vacation club guys. And what they can do is they can actually kind of walk through the specifics of points or financing and all that fun stuff. Right now, membership starts at around $20,000, but it goes up from there depending on how you use it. We're pretty easy going here. For families that like Disney and trust Disney, come back with a little bit of that.
So that was an absolutely beautiful resort room here at the Contemporary, and that was Bay Lake Tower for the DVC. If you are new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, please don't forget to check out some of our other great videos we have on the Disney parks, the rides, the resorts, resort rooms, Skyliner rides, day trips, car shows. We've got so many great videos I think you're going to love. Thank you so much for watching.